You did it again? What do you mean? It's the same. It looks exactly the same. Oh my God.
E, today I stand before you to express the depth of my feelings and make promises that will last a lifetime. Throughout our years together, we have shared countless memories and experiences that have shaped us into who we are today. From keeping our relationship a secret before I was out, to taking the leap and moving to a new state together, we have faced challenges and triumphs hand in hand.